Dear customer, I would like to introduce our factory. We have produced condom more than 25 years. In this factory, we have 8 producing line, 8 electronic producing line, 25 packing machines, more than 300 workers. We have different certification, international certifications such as CE, ISO, and SABS. So our manufacturing technique is according international standard. Later, I will introduce everything for you. The first step of manufacturing technique is choosing latex. Latex is very important for produce a high quality condom. So we only buy the highest quality of latex in the world. When the latex was transported to our factory, we'll do different tests to check the quality. Only highest quality latex can be used in our production. And our engineer will mix the latex liquid. They will put a different necessary material inside the latex. Their method is professional and standard. All precise, they will control the temperature, and they often take samples to do the test again and again. In this way, we can ensure can get the high quality latex liquid. The third step of manufacturing technique is dipping. This is our dipping line. We have 8 dipping lines. In this process, including the clean the model, dipping, take off the condom out of model, and clean the condom, and drying the condom. The third step of production process is dipping. The mixed latex liquid is transported to dipping workshop. In this step, the process has clean model, dipping, drying, take off condom from the model, washing condom, and drying condom. Dipping has 2 steps. First is let the model down to the latex liquid, and then lift up the model. When lift the model up, it needs to from different angles and different heats separately. In this way, it can make latex film has more average thickness. By this way, also can produce out very thin condom and can save 10% cost. After condom produced out, they will be sent to wash and drying. After condom take off from the model, will be sent to here to drying. This kind of machine is for drying condom. After drying, we'll take a condom out of drying machine and put here 1 hour or 2 hours, then send it to the electronic test machine. Each condom will do electronic test. Until here, this has been a condom, very soft. Our quality control will throughout the entire production process. Each condom will be done electronic inspection. In latex liquid, there are some small bubbles. This bubble is easy to create the defects on condom. We will let each condom tested by high voltage electronic. Electronic inspection will solve 2 problems. One is finding out condom with a small hole. Second, let bad quality condom automatically separate from good quality condom. All condom models are metal. Workers put condom on the models. Then high voltage is applied to the model. If current cannot pass, it means the condom is good quality. If be powered on, it means the condom has small holes. The computer will also record what had happened. In this production line, the condom will roll up and then sent to the packing workshop. This is our burst test. In this test, we'll put the condom inside of the machine, fix it up, and then blow it up. The inflating volume must be more than 18 cubic decimeter, but most of condom is more than 40 cubic decimeter. And the pressure is about 2.7 kPa. If it is lower than 1 kPa, it is bad quality. The flow speed is about 0.8. One batch products will take about 315 pieces to do this test. If it is 6 condom is a bad quality, this batch will be think as bad quality. This is a water test, and the water test is for check if there is small hole on the water. After electronic test, we do the second time to check the condom if have hole or not. This test is controlled by the computer. We'll put water inside of the condom, and then through the electronic. If electronic can be through, it means there is a small hole on the condom, and the computer will mark it. After we finish the production of bulk condom, we'll send the bulk condom to our packing machine. We have 25 different packing machines. In this workshop, we'll put condom inside of 4 pouch. Before inside of 4 pouch, we'll put different lubricant inside. We have water-based lubricant and silicone oil-based lubricant. We also can put different flavor in the lubricant. After finish the production, we'll do test again. Take samples and do burst test and water test again. After all tests passed, the condom can be packed in the box. This packing machine is automatically put a bulk condom here, and from here we put a lubricant inside, and it's a bulk condom. We put the bulk condom in this machine. It is automatically condom one by one to pack it in the 4 pouch. Before 4 pouch, there is a lubricant here. Put the lubricant here, water-based lubricant or silicone oil lubricant. Then pack it. In this workshop, we put the condom inside of the box. We have many box machine. Workers will put a condom inside of a box and then pack it into the carton. After finish the carton packing, we'll send goods to the warehouse.